Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AWS Glue crawlers for automatic schema discovery, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable AWS Glue crawlers for automatic schema discovery, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Glue service from the list of services. Once in the AWS Glue dashboard, select the crawlers option from the menu on the left. Click that Add Crawler button to start creating a new crawler. Enter a name for your crawler in the provided field. Optionally, you can add a description to help identify the crawler's purpose later. Click Next to proceed to the data source configuration. Choose the data store from which you want to extract data. For example, select S3 if your data is stored in Amazon S3. Specify the path to your data in the S3 bucket. Click Next to continue. You can choose to include or exclude specific folders within your data store. Decide if you want to add any additional data stores by clicking Add another data store or proceed by clicking Next. Now, configure your crawler's output. Select the database where the discovered schema will be stored. If you don't have a database, you can create one directly from this step. Next, choose the output format for your schema. You may opt to create a new table for each crawl or update existing tables as required. Click Next to move on to the crawler's schedule. Select how often you want your crawler to run. You can choose to run it on demand or schedule it to run periodically. After configuring the schedule, click Next to set up the IAM role for the crawler. Select an existing IAM role with sufficient permissions, or create a new one that allows access to your data sources. Click Next to review the configuration settings for your crawler. Check all details to ensure everything is set up correctly. If everything looks good, click Finish to create the crawler. Return to the Crawlers section in AWS Glue to find your newly created crawler. Select your crawler and click on Run Crawler to initiate the schema discovery process. Monitor the crawler's progress in the History tab. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.